Hot peppers' health and taste benefits. The fiery world of hot peppers. Benefits and global varieties. Hot peppers, those fiery fruits that ignite our taste buds, offer a world of flavor and surprising health benefits. Health benefits. Metabolism Boost. Capsaicin, the compound responsible for the heat, can increase metabolism and promote calorie burning. Pain relief. Capsaicin creams alleviate pain from conditions like arthritis and neuropathy. Improve circulation. Spicy foods can help dilate blood vessels, potentially improving blood flow and reducing the risk of heart disease. Antioxidant power. Hot peppers are rich in vitamins A and C, powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage. Immune system support. Vitamin C content boosts the immune system, helping fight off infections. Mood enhancement. Capsaicin may trigger the release of endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. A global spice odyssey. The world is a fiery garden, boasting a dazzling array of hot pepper varieties. Mexico, home to the legendary habanero, known for its intense fruity heat, and the smoky chipotle. India celebrates the ghost pepper, one of the hottest peppers on earth, and the aromatic Kashmiri chili. South America offers the ají amarillo, Peru, a vibrant yellow pepper with a fruity flavor, and the rocoto, Bolivia, a lantern-shaped pepper with a unique smoky sweetness. Thailand features the prik ki nu, a small bird's-eye chili with intense heat, and the prik ja, a long, thin chili with a milder flavor. Africa, home to the shito, a fiery pepper paste used in Ghanaian cuisine. Europe cultivates the piri-piri, Portugal, a small, intensely hot pepper used in peri-peri sauce. Beyond the plate, the uses of hot peppers extend far beyond culinary delights. Traditional medicine, used for centuries in traditional medicine systems for various ailments. Self-defense. Some cultures have used hot peppers as a natural deterrent. Culinary art. From salsas and chutneys to curries and hot sauces, hot peppers are essential ingredients in diverse cuisines worldwide. Disclaimer: while hot peppers offer numerous health benefits, excessive consumption can cause discomfort and irritation. Note: this is a brief overview. The world of hot peppers is vast and fascinating, with countless varieties and culinary applications waiting to be explored. Please note, this information is for general knowledge and informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Thank you for watching and supporting your channel Afsan Farm Kitchen by Afsan Farm Media Production. Where our cozy farm kitchen brings you healthy, delicious, and globally inspired recipes. With a love for Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisines, vibrant flavors, and nutritional goodness, we make it simple to enjoy wholesome, flavorful meals at home. Whether you're recreating comforting classics or trying something new, our recipes are perfect for every season. Let's share the joy of good food, health, and togetherness. From our kitchen to yours. The traditional cuisines of the nations bordering the Mediterranean Sea served as the inspiration for the Mediterranean diet.